So guys, welcome again to this channel, Roti the Legend, aka the Kingpin, the only engineer in Angurai. Today we are here in Makueni County, Kibwezi sublocation. So we have a farmer who had purchased this working tractor, and we just want to share some experience with him on how this tractor is and how the way the tractor has been. So right about now, as you can see something that I've not been able to share you since I started the video is that you should see the reason why we are changing these handles, the ones from China. We are putting this fabricated one. These ones are made here in Kenya, and I actually am the one who fabricated them because I had one truck like this one. So you can see the place where this boy is standing there. So as you can see, the handles is just close to him, and also the plow is close to him, assuming that plow is connected. If this tractor, this boy is gonna engage the reverse gear, that means he's so much close to the plow, so he can injure himself anytime. So what we are just trying to do is that we are avoiding those risking your legs and risking your life because of those handles. So actually the engine itself is very heavy. Let's see the capacity of this tractor here: 20 horsepower, 165 kilograms. Someone may say 165 is not that much, but for me, I tell you, this one is not as easy as you think. So you take a closer look before we change the handles, if that guy is able to press it down. Hebu finya hiyo tinga chini, kwa sababu saa ya kulima lazima uifinye. Wewe tolea stand hiyo. Ayangusha chini. Ainua tena tuone sasa kutokea chini. You see now the guy is using too much energy for it to be lifted up, but we are going to adjust on that actually, so that the tractor can be easier for operation. So stick around and see what happens here at my channel, Roti the Legend. So guys, you have seen already how the way the tractor looks like, and you have seen how the way it performs at the farm. So right about now we have the owner who is going to represent us in this speech. So let's hear out from him about the experience and how the way it works. So ndugu, unaitwaje kwa majina kwanza?
Titus Mweke wa Mbua.
Titus. Hii tinga siku ilikuja kutoka kwa duka kwako? Uliiona ina tofauti gani na leo vile ilivyo leo?
Ilikuwa na mikono mifupi. Lakini sasa imekuwa na mikono mirefu.
Mbona imewekwa mikono mirefu na itolewe fupi?
Ipunguze ile weight ya tractor huko mbele. Ikuwe inafanya kazi rahisi.
Na sasa vile imeingia kwa shamba, umeisikia namna gani? Iko sawa ama ndio?
Iko chonjo kabisa.
Haijaribika?
Hapana, iko chonjo kabisa.
Imeshinda mara ya kwanza? Sasa ndio utalimia ama ndio utaiweka parking kabisa?
Ndio nalima.
Asante sana, shukrani kabisa. Hapa maeneo unasema ndio panaitwaje hapa?
Hapa panaitwa Nguu.
Makueni County. Asante sana baba. So guys, you have seen how the way the thing has been performing, and you have heard from the owner. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to that channel if you are a new person to this channel. Make sure you put down a comment. Tell us how we can improve on this one, so that we can help one another, or we can help farmers out there. Thank you, sir.